This is the Anymaka Hammock Stand, which supports up to 550 pounds and can be used to lounge and relax or sit and enjoy your surroundings. The padded carry bag is extremely durable and it fits easily in my trunk and pretty much any other trunk. It is equipped with very strong carrying straps, and it even has a zippered pouch to store important items like a wallet or phone. The padded carrying bag makes it a breeze to transport the hammock stand and its accessories to almost any camping location you can imagine. The Anymaka Hammock Stand sets up in a matter of seconds with its stable anti-slip design. The ultralight double hammock gives you space for up to 3 people, comes in yellow, blue, or green, and it's made with 40D Diamond Ripstop Nylon. As you can see, attaching the hammock is a breeze, making for a stress-free setup, which is highly important anytime you're camping. If the sun is beating down on you and you need some shade, this adjustable canopy kit gets the job done with its intuitive design. Not to mention it offers UPF 50+ sun protection and is compact and portable. These poles make it very easy to set up and they are lightweight. As the sun shifts, you can easily rotate the canopy up to 180 degrees, meaning you can move with the sun and stay protected. Anymaka makes it possible for you to enjoy your favorite beverage, store your phone, or store your keys with the quick install cup holder right in reach. The newly released Anymaka insect net provides 360-degree bug protection with this new product on its line. So getting attacked by mosquitoes, flies, or no-see-ums is no longer an issue. Plus, you still have plenty of headroom. The interior gear hook makes it easy to hang small essentials like keys. Breakdown is super simple. The hammock stand, double hammock, canopy, cup holder, and insect net all fit securely within the padded, durable, and well-designed storage and carry bag. You can pick up all of these items on Anymaka's website listed here and in the video description. Don't forget to use the D's Roads exclusive discount code listed in the video description. Thank you for watching, and happy hammocking, happy camping.